Hey everyone! Today we're going to show you how to get started with copy trading using the vSocial app, a step-by-step guide. If you ever wanted to trade like a pro but don't have the time or expertise, copy trading is the perfect solution for you. With vSocial, you can automatically mirror the trades of experienced traders, helping you grow your portfolio with ease. And the best of all, totally hands off. So in this video, I'll guide you through the entire process, from setting up your account to choosing the right traders to follow. So whether you are a beginner or just looking for an easier way to trade, stay tuned. To begin with, we need a broker account. The broker of our choice is Vantage Markets, and all the links will be down in the description for you guys. So type this on your browser. So after we follow the link, we're welcomed with this Open Live Account screen. Here, we just need to put our credentials so we can create our account. In our case, we created one email just to show you how it works. You will hit the send code, so you will have a verification code in your email. Let's go and refresh your email. Wait a bit, here it is. We copy and paste the verification code. Then we need to put a password, put some strong password for you. Here I'll just use something random. Obviously, don't use this one. It's just a password. Referred by, you can leave it blank. I'm not a US resident and I agree. You create the account. Then you will be welcomed with an account opening verification screen. Here you just need to put your name and all your details so the company can verify that it's you. I'll just use something random now here, John Doe. All right. Obviously, you have to put the correct details based on your passport or ID or whatever, your phone number, and you hit next. On the next screen, you have to choose your platform. You can go with MT5 or MT4. We recommend MT5 since it's much newer, faster. So just go with that, select standard account, and then your preferred currency. In our case, we will select USD. So hit next, and then you just simply have to verify your ID. You can use a passport, driving license, ID, whatever it's convenient for you. By using our link, that, as I said, it's on description, you will have very, very fast KYC, as it's called, know your customer. So expect your account to be verified, in some cases even in 30 seconds. After you finish with verification, go back in your email and you will see a new email from Vantage stating your MT5 new account details. It's your login, password, and the server you will need to connect to. And if you go back into Vantage, you will see under accounts your new created account that says active. So now you can proceed with depositing. As mentioned earlier, using our link grants you access to exclusive deposit bonuses to boost your trading experience. Simply click the opt-in now button and 10 available bonus will be applied to your account automatically. As you can see, all major deposit methods are available, including credit cards, cryptocurrencies, and even Apple Pay, Google Pay. Simply choose the option that suits you best. After you finish depositing your account, open your App Store or Google Play Store and search for vSocial. It's this app here. We download it and simply hit open when it's done. First time you run the application, you will be welcomed with this screen. Simply click where it says first time here, open an account. Here we need again to fill our details. So put your email, put your password, and your name, your phone number, your country of residence, and just click those two boxes and register your account. As the next screen suggests, just go back in your email and click the confirmation link. Make sure you check your spam folder also. Sometimes the message can end up there. Just go there and simply click here to confirm your new account, and that's it. Now go back to the original screen and hit login. This time you will be welcomed at this screen, so all you have to do is put your email and password. Hit login. And now you're finally inside vSocial. You can allow the notifications and you can see all the strategies here. On the next step, you want to click on your account, and the system notifies us that we have to connect our trading account. So click link an account. And all you have to do here is simply put your credentials that you had on your previous email when you created your account. So let's go back to our email. Now simply we just need to copy paste those details. Account number, we put our MT5 account number, and in password we're putting our MT5 password by simply copying it from our email back to the application here. On last step, we need to select the server. So from our email, we can see that the server was MT5 Live 6, as we can see clearly here. So we simply go back to the application, and on the select server drop-down, we select the MT5 Live 6. Note here, if you had an MT4 account, all you had to do was select from those servers based on which server you are. But in our case, since we are on MT5 Live 6, we will select MT5 Live 6. Lastly, since we want to copy trades, we click this and we accept the terms and hitting done. We're waiting a few seconds, and if we go back to the account, we can see that the account is connected. Lastly, we want to go to Discover, we go to Strategies, we go to the Holy Grail, and from here we can see all the stats, and we can see this button that says Copy. Click it. On the final screen, you will find a few more options. Here you need to set your trade size based on your risk tolerance and capital. For low risk, we recommend a lot size of 0.01 per 1000 of capital, and for very low risk, 0.01 per 2000 of capital. Since we deposited 1000, we will select the fixed size from the trade size drop-down and we'll set it to 0.01. Lastly, enable round to minimum trade size to prevent missing trades, and you can skip copying existing trades. Click Agree and Copy, confirm the last two bullets, hit OK. You will have one last dialog, hit Yes, wait a few seconds, and congratulations, you are now successfully copying our signal. Hit OK, and all is set. To check that everything is working, go back in your account, and you will see that you're copying now the Holy Grail. If you click it, you will go back into the signals page, and instead of copy, you will see now the edit copy button. So everything is set up correctly. Now, if you hit the edit copy, you will go on this page where you can adjust your fixed size lot based always on your capital and your risk tolerance. Finally, don't forget to check our Telegram channel, The Holy Grail, where we share daily trading results. Additionally, we offer an exclusive free VIP group for our copiers. You can find the link to join in the video description. Happy copying, and may the pips be with you.